Okay, kids, look at this. Look at all that brass I got. I've got all this brass. Look at that. I got to load all this up. It's about 800 pieces of 30-06. The last time I loaded all that up, I used this press, and it took me almost the entire apocalypse to load those. So I want to use this press. It's tall. Look at that. I want to use this press, but I don't have a caliber conversion kit for 30-06, but I do have a caliber conversion kit for 45 auto. And little one of the best kept secrets, kids, is a lot of these cartridges have the same size case heads. 45 auto and 30-06 happen to have the same size case head. So I can use this shell plate and these buttons, but I don't have a powder funnel. That's what this is. It also, in the case of 45 auto, it flares the case mouth, but it's what actuates the powder measure when you shove the case up into it. So instead of buying an entire caliber conversion kit for whatever they are, $60, $70, $100, if you could even get them, and instead of calling Dillon and just saying that it broke and getting a free one, we're going to do the right thing. We're going to make one. It's gonna look just like this. And you see, this here. I think that's that little notch there. I think the only reason that's there is so they have a place to. Now this thing doesn't show it. There's a letter identifier that tells which powder funnel it is. So that feature is deleted. All right, hang on. I'll show you some of the steps in making this thing. Okay, kids, here we are. Now, I'm not going to show you any of the setup or tool changes or anything like that because I want to make this appear to be so simple, deceivingly simple. This is some galvanized hardware store 5/8 rod. I'm going to drill a hole in it with that thing. The end of it's already been faced off to make it look simple. So we're going to put some juice on it, and then we're just going to start driving this in there. And just going to drive her in. Oh yeah, something like that. Just going to let her eat. Okay, there we go. And next we're going to go put a hole through the thing. Okay, kids. Got the drill in there. It's supposed to be a .208 hole all the way through. But I don't have a drill that size, so we're going to, I don't know, this is 219 or something. It really doesn't matter. So here we go. Turn this thing on. Slather that thing up. And I'm not going to show the whole thing because I have to bury that thing clear up to here. So here, we're going to let her eat for a minute. Just so you guys can tell your friends you saw this happen. And like I said, I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I want you to think this is super easy. So I'll bring you back when we're done. Okay, kids. Now we're going to put this 344 diameter, 746 thousandths deep. And I'm going to use this very advanced method called drill till man, that looks deep. Is that right? Yeah, that'll be fine. And once this fits, I'll know I'm at the right depth. So check it out. juice on it too. Hang on here. Get this juice going. Lots of juice. And here we go. 2. Uh-oh. Fucked up. Fucked up, kids. Didn't tighten the chuck. Shit. All right. We're back. I tightened it this time. And I'm going to do it a little different. I'm just going to count the turns here and then come back in and measure it. Okay, kids, we're back. I reset the angle on that thing to, I don't know, 17.5 degrees or something. I don't know, I tried. And I went and kind of did a little bit of regrind on this here tool. So, and I'm just going to run that thing in and out of there. And I'm going to gauge it with this. Hopefully have it bottom on the case mouth instead of the shoulder, so we don't collapse the shoulder. And hopefully when this is all said and done, you guys just say, wow, you could have just 3D printed it. You know, like that was easy. That only took 10 minutes. That's the goal. I want this to seem so easy. It's just deceptive. So here we go. So I'm going to turn this thing and oh yeah. Okay. And then we're going to turn this thing. We're going to, oh, how much are we going to take? Oh, wait. Ooh, backlash. Let's take a few. Let's just see what that does. Put a little juice on that, too. What the hell? And maybe some more on the RPMs. Here we go. Watch out. Oh, yeah. Ooh. What's that sound? There we go. Look at that. So we're getting forming. Ooh. Damn, that just looks like shit. We're forming a nice little taper in there. We'll see how she goes. I'll bring you back when it's done. You know. Okay, kids. We got that depth, that taper all correct. Now we got to get the diameter to 554, which is 71 thousandths from where it is now. So we're just gonna take this dude and we'll start off. We'll give her 20 thou. Oh fuck, 25 thou. What the hell? And turn that up like that. Flip this thing, and we're just gonna let her eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Turn that up a little bit. There we go. Give her hell. All right. We'll be back when we get her to final dimensions. Okay, kids. This is the end. I didn't show some of that stuff because I figured you didn't watch anyway, and you'd rather be spared the gory details of work. Here, I'm going to demonstrate it briefly. Okay, really fast demonstration. Stick it in there. Awesome. Works. Thank you.